I want JJ to knock Akani out because he's never been knocked out before. I want Johnny to stop Kadima because Kadima and his trainer have big mouths, but according to me, they suck. So, yeah, we always go for knockouts and we always train to win. And that's it. Look, I've been blessed to have some good talent come my way. Some of them you have to start from the beginning, like JJ. Others rock up here in the can box. So yeah, you have to work with everybody and see what they can bring to the table and then go forward from there. So when he walked into my gym, I first thought, okay, this is a big guy. You want a big guy, he's naturally a big guy. And then we did a session and I thought, this guy needs a lot of work. But luckily he steps up when it's time to step up on fight day. And yeah, we're here now. Look, Akani is the real deal, proper amateur fighter. Never really achieved what I thought he was going to achieve in the pros. I don't know why, what happened to his career. He was almost there in the cruiserweights and then it didn't happen. And then he touched the base on the heavyweights. And also he's in between weights. So honestly, I don't know what happened to him. I honestly expected more of him from, I sparred him actually. So we've been friends for a long time, but look, Akani is the real deal. He comes to fight. He knows his way around the ring. He knows everything. So, yeah, we have to bring it.